Now let's talk about class size or class width, okay? Denoted by C, small c, okay? Now the class size is the difference between the lower class boundary, okay, and the upper class boundaries of a class interval. All right, now let's see how we can find the class size or class width. Okay, now remember, no boundaries, no class size. So without the class boundaries, you can't find the class size. So before you can find the class size, you should know the class boundaries. And we know how to do that. So this side will be this. Okay, so we have 10 minus 9 is 1 over 2 is 0.5. So we subtract 0.5 from the lower limits to get the class boundary. So we have 5, then we subtract 0.5, this side is 4.5, 9.5. Then we will add to the upper, so 9.5, and this side is 14.5. So let's create a column for the class size now that we know the class boundaries. So we have class size. Okay, so what we are going to do is to find the difference here. Okay, so we have 9.5 minus 4.5. Okay, so 0, so we have 5, so this side is 5. Okay, let's talk about the second one. So 14.5 minus 9.5, 0 point, so we have 5. So this side too is 5. So the class size here is 5, here too is 5. So remember that no class boundaries, no class size. That's that. All right.